Welcome to Reviewsly's channel. If you are still using a regular old membrane keyboard, you are missing out. In 2026, mechanical keyboards have completely changed the game, delivering an experience that is faster, more responsive, and just feels epic. Whether you're a pro gamer needing surgical precision or a writer looking for that perfect, satisfying click, there's a mechanical keyboard that is perfect for you. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get hype. 5. SOLAKAKA A99 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. We're kicking things off with a fantastic option for those who want a premium mechanical feel without a premium price tag, the SOLAKAKA A99 Pro. This is a great entry-level plus keyboard that covers all the bases. The vibe is sleek, modern, and built to last. It is fully mechanical, giving you that tactile and audible feedback that enthusiasts crave. Why it's here is the hot swappable switches are a major feature at this price point. This means you can easily swap out the default switches for different types, linear, tactile, or clicky, without needing to be an electronics expert. It grows with you as your preferences evolve. 4. Logitech K835 TKL Mechanical Keyboard. At number 4, we have a space-saving workhorse from one of the most trusted names in tech, the Logitech K835 TKL. The 10 keyless design removes the number pad, giving you a more compact layout that is perfect for smaller desks and gives your mouse more room to move. The vibe is industrial, professional, and reliably consistent. Why it's here, Logitech focuses on the fundamentals. You get rugged mechanical switches, a durable aluminum frame, and anti-ghosting technology, ensuring every key press is registered even during intense multi-key gaming sessions. It is simple, effective, and built to be a daily driver. 3. Generic wireless 10,000 mAh mechanical keyboard. If your ultimate goal is absolute wireless freedom, our number 3 pick is a game changer. This wireless mechanical keyboard by Generic is all about cutting the cord and maximizing uptime. The Big Flex is a massive 10,000 mAh battery. This is practically unheard of in a keyboard. It means you can go weeks, sometimes months on a single charge, even with the optional backlighting blazing. Why it's here, it combines that incredible battery with hot swappable support. You get a top-tier wireless experience without having to compromise on the type of switch you want to use. This is the choice for anyone who hates the low battery warning. 2. Redragon K552 Mechanical Keyboard. Taking the runner-up spot is the keyboard that proved budget-friendly doesn't mean cheap, the Redragon K552. This is the go-to recommendation for thousands of entry-level gamers, and for good reason. The vibe is aggressive, durable, and highly customizable. Why it's here, it's fully programmable, allowing you to create macros or remap keys to suit your specific gaming or productivity needs. It features hot swappable switches, which is rare in this price category, and uses double-shot keycaps that will never fade or wear down, ensuring the legends stay sharp for years. It is an unmatched value proposition. And finally, the champion of 2026, combining the perfect blend of performance, price, and portability, the Royal KLUDGE RK61. This is the 60% layout king. The vibe is clean, minimalist, and ultra-portable. The 60% design removes the number pad and the function row, giving you a tiny footprint that's perfect for travel or the ultimate desk zen aesthetic. Don't let its size fool you. It's a full mechanical keyboard with hot swappable support. This makes it an incredibly popular entry point for people who want to explore the world of keyboard modding, as you can easily try different switches and keycaps. It's fast, responsive, and fits almost anywhere. So, which one is going to take your desk setup to the next level? If you want massive battery life and wireless convenience, the wireless 10,000 mAh one is your winner. For the perfect balance of portability and customization, go with the RK61. If you need a full TKL layout on a budget, the Redragon K552 or Logitech K835 have you covered. And for a great overall mechanical experience with hot swapping, the SOLAKAKA A99 Pro is a fantastic choice. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech picks. See ya!